Tasted more like turkey than ham to me. No, we were saying yesterday.
That makes it easier. And then you fill it up.
Jody, where do you live? I'm in Newcastle. He's, but so anyway, Big Barnes, Central Barnes, East Coast. Stronghold. They have
Yes.
They can't help you?
I haven't asked them. None of them have got one. And I've asked Phil Badger, and he said he doesn't make one. I thought he did.
He's go for models, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
This is a bit of a bad example. I had a bad day on Tuesday because of carbon. That's enough to charge your batteries. And then there's
Yeah, you usually find that if you look at the Golden setup and everything, it's not big for the Golden. No, you've done a great job. I'm with the local family and storage society. I live up in Woodlawn up there, and I've seen lots of photos of yours from that. How you've got it going up there, if you're up there.
Yeah, well, this is the second time that we've been displayed now.
Showing you how to count down.
I was just like showing put your name down.
I think it's shut before they. I think they just had 30s.
Around 41.
41.
Contact number
0408
0408
897
897
836.
How you been able to do it?
Gauge master like that. Oh, I got this one gunning.
I like it.
Very to make like a motorized.
It's making winged.
Yeah, we get underway.
Like a dummy 20.
That one's impressive, the other one impressive.
so it's good, isn't it? Like full rolling.
Oh, Ross's? Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, Ross did spotted Monday nights and Tuesday nights and Friday nights.
That one and this one is how you do end properly. Yeah, you can get the detail in it.
Yeah, Sydney Central is pretty good too.
And
Did my DCC change that line? It's DCC.
Yeah, it seems to be.
I was wondering if you'd put a chip in the Garrett.
Yeah, where they have a different layout, different feel, different.
You want to go out again?
That's a good point. Okay. Yeah, you think you want to play chippy, you know? You know, the fires.
yeah.
I don't know where Mark is going. This is the transaction.
Oh, okay.
Well, I mean, it sort of reminded me, I mean, luckily I had the accent, but like, you know, there are times where I get this place, like, oh, when you're getting the nasty bag, I'm like, I'm like, wandering around, take all these like about,
Instead of walking along the highway, that's a future. That's a future workout.
you should be steaming milk. Yeah.
I guess if we could look
He wants to make a layout scene.
My first exhibition layout was a metre square, and it started with I got a HO train set when I was 5. I built a layout. I built a layout in the garage that was basically 6x4 baseboard, and it folded up on the wall in the garage.
Nice, yeah.
But of course, I wanted to play with trains all the time, and of course, my parents say, "Well, we want to put a power plant." And so I made the decision there and then that I was going to pull a layout apart, sell all the parts, and with that money, I then bought my first engaged train set, electrical train set, and I built a layout.
So you were very ahead of your time.
Very much so. Yep. So the interesting part about that as well, and if you're doing maths, that type of money is actually not that big. Because Anything will get
What do you use for cleaning the stove? How many hours did this take you? And kids, next one.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
But to be honest, the face when Thomas goes around is all we do it for.
Well, they're big ones, aren't they?
Somewhere between 3 or 4.
So they got at each end, and the new ferries, the propeller at the front coast when it's not being used, but they'll left the steam ferries, the propellers were linked, so it was a continuous propeller shaft.
Had one of the Tuscan ones, so I've rebought that. So I've now got back to the one we did on F2, but I know the position's doing things. It's just, actually they have, they put out their order, but it's going to be
Oh yeah, I mean they're not even different data. I mean I've got stuff sitting most of them. I mean even the bed set I bought. I mean I wasn't fussed about it, but that was apparently people ordered them years ago. Oh, probably one.
They're long plans. The last time we went to Melbourne, we stopped I give them, and 1 week Oh, sorry, mate.
Whenever you say that at the free side thing, it's like, go finance yourself.
Oh no, I lost some bits. I still lost bits. Never mind. Don't tell them it's missing the back bits.
Trustworthy meeting. Leave.
Of course you can leave.